How to fix Cash App deposit not showing. In order to fix Cash App deposit not showing, you could check your activity feed. So what you need is, first thing first, check that the routing and an account number linked are correct, as error cause field or delete option as well. Next, you also want to make sure to open a Cash App and go to the activities tab and review for a pending deposit. After which, you could also go ahead and tap onto the profile icon, and then you could also verify your identity or limits to check if you have exceeded monthly receiving limits, and verifying your account to increase limits as well. Then you could also try updating the app. If you have outdated app, that could also cause an issue. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, type in Cash App, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. If nothing works out, you could also confirm if Cash App service are active. So you could just go to the website and check whether there is any sort of server issues or not. Despite doing all this, if nothing works out, simply restart your device, and then you could also directly contact support that can also help you out. So these are some of the ways you could try. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.